In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the number count of records in a group in Airtable. If you've been wondering how to easily get this information displayed within your tables, you're in the right place. Airtable is a powerful tool for organizing and managing your data, and one of its great features is the ability to group records and track the number of entries in each group seamlessly. Follow along as we walk through each step of this process to make your data management even more efficient. First off, make your way over to Airtable's website. If you're not already familiar with Airtable, it's a user-friendly platform that allows for the creation of customized databases. Once you're on their website, locate the Sign In option, usually situated at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This will bring you to a page where you can enter your account credentials. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to set one up before proceeding with this tutorial. Assuming you have an account, enter your login details and click Continue to access your Airtable workspace. With that out of the way, you'll find yourself in your workspace. Take a moment to get comfortable with the layout if you're new to it. Now navigate to the table you wish to work on. This is where you'll be applying the method we're about to discuss. Click on the table you want to manipulate, which will open up the view and present your data in an organized way. To add a new field, find and select the plus sign labeled as Add Field. This can often be found at the far right of your table columns. This is a crucial step, as adding fields is how we're going to display the number count of the records within each group. When the prompt appears, type in a desired name for this new field. Something like number count is straightforward and descriptive, helping you keep track of what this field represents. Next, you'll want to set the field type. Look for the search box labeled something like field type and type auto number. Once auto number appears as an option, go ahead and click on it. The auto number field type will automatically generate a sequential numbering system for each row in your table, perfect for our purposes here. Finally, click on the option to create field. This action will finalize the process, adding the new column to your table and allowing you to easily see the number count of records as you manage your data. This method is particularly useful for those who want a quick and accurate count of their groups without having to manually tally each entry. And there you have it, a straightforward way to display the number count of records within groups in Airtable. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, this technique can greatly enhance your workflow and data analysis capabilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on getting the most out of your Airtable experience.